So for this session, we're going to work on finding equilibrium. So what is equilibrium? In economy, there's two concepts that are very important, which is demand and supply. Demand is how much consumers are willing to pay for a certain good at a given price, while supply is how much producers are willing to sell at a given price. Okay? So as you might imagine, consumers, if we were to think about consumers, the demand would be as follows. This is price and this is quantity. As price is higher, the quantity demanded will be lower. Therefore, at this point, the price, imagine, is 10. They will only ask for one product. Only one person will be available to buy it. Well, imagine at this point we have 5, a price of 5. In this point, 5 people will be willing to buy it. Supply is inverse. So basically, on the other hand, when you look at supply, this works differently. So supply, the lower the price is, so here let's imagine we have a price of 1, the quantity we would like to sell is lower. It will still be 1. However, when the price is 10, the quantity they want to sell is 10 as well. So the thing is, these two functions are related. So what we call equilibrium is when both of these functions come together. So we have here this is supply, this is demand. And the point where they cross is equilibrium, where price and quantity match. So this is the ideal situation in an economy. So at times what you will see is that they give you the demand function and the supply function, and what you have to do is find equilibrium. So this is what we're going to work on today. So let's do it automatically with an exercise. So let's imagine they give you a function that is quantity demanded, so QD, equals 4 minus P squared. Okay? And for QS, so quantity supply, they give you a function that is 4P minus 4. So this graph will look something like this. And then this would be something like this. This is what our graph would look like, but honestly, there's no need to see it in a graphical way. So what we're going to do is, to find equilibrium, basically what has to happen is quantity demanded has to be equal to quantity supplied. So if you look at a normal graph, you have demand, supply. Here, the price is equal to the price is equal for both, and quantity is equal for both. So what we're going to do with our functions is exactly that. We're just going to equal them. So we're going to have 4 minus P squared equals 4P minus 1. So this is what we have. And from here, we're just going to solve it. So this leads to this. And from here, we're just going to solve it. We're going to get P squared minus plus 4P minus 5 is equal to 0. And with some simple logic in your calculator, you can just come out that x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 1. So obviously, as you can see, if you look at the graph, on the x-axis, P is equal to 5 and P is equal to 1. So if you look on the x-axis, price can, so there can be 2 prices. So when you look at the results, there can be 2 prices. There can be price at minus 1, which is obviously impossible, so we just forget this answer. And therefore we get the price is 5. So here we have our equilibrium price. And then we have to calculate our equilibrium quantity. So what we would do, we would just go back to one of the functions. So for quantity supply is equal to 4P minus 1. And just plug in the price we got. So in this case it would be QS equals 5 times 4 minus 1. And eventually we get quantity supplied is equal to 19. Therefore, we have the price is 5 and quantity is 19. And we have that demand and supply, supply and demand, they meet at the same point. That price is 5 and demand and quantity is 19. Therefore, there you have it. This is how you find equilibrium at an economy. And we use this for your math courses and your microeconomics courses. So really pay attention to this.